Rational numbers. What do you know about rational numbers? Before that, you know about natural numbers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Natural numbers. What all numbers come under this natural numbers?
Ma'am, the number starting from 1.
Yes, numbers starting from. What about whole numbers?
The number starting from 0 and above.
Yeah, zero and all the natural numbers.
Yes.
Okay, okay, very good. And about integers?
Integers can go maximum positive or negative. It's a below 0 as well as above 0.
Yes, all the negative numbers and all the positive numbers.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, yeah. And what about rational numbers? Have you heard about it or do you know?
Yes, ma'am. It includes all natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers, and even fractions.
Yes, it also includes fractions and all. Okay. So rational numbers means it includes all these sets. Okay. In the picture you can see it. Natural numbers, it includes only these sets of numbers. Whole numbers means it includes zero and this natural numbers. Integers means it include everything. Integers, whole numbers, and natural numbers also come under that. And rational numbers means all these three groups also come under these rational numbers. Okay. Yeah. You can go to the second screen.
Okay.
There, can you see some questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you just do it?
Define the natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers from the following.
You can just write it there on the screen.
Yes, ma'am. So this two and 7 are natural numbers,
Yeah.
and they're also the zero is whole number. The other numbers are also whole numbers, and integers are -6, -13, -12, -31. 13 and 12 are also natural numbers and whole numbers.
Yeah. They are also. Don't they come under integers?
They
12.
do, yeah, they do come.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Very good. Now, from the following, you just identify those which are not natural numbers and not whole numbers.
Whole numbers, uh, not natural numbers, are only 0, -6, -17, and yeah, that's it for not natural numbers.
What about -4?
Yes, ma'am, that one also. I didn't see that.
Okay, fine. And not whole numbers?
Not whole numbers are -17, -66, and 4.
Okay, okay, fine. You can go to the third screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you just do that? The third question?
Yes, ma'am. The third one, this will not be an integer. It will be an integer, the positive integer.
Yes.
This one cannot be an integer because it has decimals.
18. What is 18 divided by 3?
Ma'am, no, no, no. This is 6. So it will result as an integer.
Yeah,
18 divided by 36 cannot be an integer.
yeah.
13 into -3, it can be an integer. 7 divided by 3 cannot be an integer.
Okay, okay, okay. Good job. Okay. And fourth one?
Using a numbering method. Ma'am, what am I supposed to do here? Like, I should draw a line?
Yes, using number line, you have to add the following integers. So, using number line, on the number line, you just show how you'll be able to find the sum of that.
Okay.
Okay, fine, because you are not able to.
Yes, ma'am.
Just do the first part. Okay.
Ma'am, we should count the numbers in between the digits.
Okay, so how will you do this first one? You just no need to no need to do that.
Okay.
Okay, just do the first part only.
So 9 plus minus 5.
Mm.
Since a negative and a positive is coming together, you have to subtract. So
Mm.
its answer is 4.
Yeah, but on the number line, how will you be able to do? I will write here 8 and I'll mark it as 9 here, okay? Yeah. So, what you should do on the number line, you have first you mark 9, okay, on the number line,
Okay.
okay? Then plus minus 5, okay? That means you should move forward or backward.
Forward. Like
Uh,
towards
from,
the left.
from 9, moving forward or backward?
Backward. Backward.
Backward. Since it is negative 5, you have to move. How many places backward you have to go?
14 times.
How many places back? Minus 5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So how many places back we will be going?
23.
From 9 we'll start, okay? 1. How
13.
many? No. How many jumps we need to do? You just see here, okay? From 9 we'll start. We'll come to 8. Then to 7. So 2 times we jumped. 3, 4, 5. 5 times we have to jump by backwards. Because it's minus 5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to jump 5 times backwards from 9. And where did you reach now? Our current position is
4.
4, right? That's how you get the answer 4.
Okay.
Okay, on a number line. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
fine.
Got it.
Okay, we'll go to the next screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, rational numbers. You can see, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, you know what is a rational number?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, numbers which can be expressed in the form of a P by Q form. Okay,
Yes.
those numbers we call it as rational numbers. And
Yes.
the Q should not be equal to 0. Denominator, it should not be equal to 0. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see the examples, some fractional numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And there are positive and negative rational numbers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, here I have given some examples of positive rational numbers. You can say some examples for negative rational numbers.
Yes, ma'am. Minus 13 by 4.
Okay. One more.
15 by 3.
Is it positive or negative?
Positive.
Yeah, this is positive. Okay. Not negative. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, good. And see here, 2 by minus 3. Is this the standard form of writing a rational number? 2. So 25 by minus 35. Is it in the standard form?
No.
Yeah. Why it is not in the standard form?
Because we can still divide it by 5.
Yeah, we can bring it to its lowest form. Okay.
Yes.
And the negative can be written in the
Numerator.
yeah. Okay, so 25 by 35, how will you bring it to its lowest form?
So 5 divided by 25 is 5.
Yeah,
And 35 divided by 5 is 7. So
okay.
the negative sign goes to the numerator.
Okay, minus 5 by 7 you will get. Okay, yeah. And here, every natural number is a rational number. Okay, we can say every natural number as a rational number. But can we say every rational number as a natural number?
No,
No, every natural number is not a sorry, every rational number is not a natural number. And
yes,
every whole number, we can say it as a rational number. Every whole number.
No.
Ev- we can't say.
We can say every whole number, but not every rational number.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, fine. Okay. So, which can you do this fifth question on page number 6? Okay, screen
Yes, ma'am.
6. You saw that question?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, should I do it?
Yeah, yeah. Fifth one.
So this is a natural number, rational, and this is a rational number. This one, except for the minus 7 by 6, as the numerator, the negative sign should go to the numerator.
Which of the following are rational numbers and which are not? On what
Ma'am,
basis we say it's a rational number or not?
ma'am, and it's divisible. So this is
Any
not.
number which can be expressed in the form of p by q, we can say it as a rational number, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so minus 2, we can write in the form of fraction, you just show it, minus 2. Yeah, so it can be expressed as a rational number. 5 by 3, it's already in that form. You can say
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
a rational number. Minus 17,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. What about 15 by 7?
Yes, ma'am.
18 by 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what about minus 7 by 6?
The negative sign is not in the numerator.
It's fine. You can say it as a rational number because it's expressed by p by q, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Expressed in the form of p by q. So it can be said as a rational number.
Okay.
Okay. Sixth one, can you do it?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 by 8.
Okay, okay, okay. Very good. One by eight. The lowest of. And did you check the sign?
Yes, ma'am. It's minus 1 by 8.
Yeah, minus one by eight. Okay, okay. Okay. So yeah, can you do the second one also?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
should I do it in a notebook then write the answer?